In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to understand your sales tax obligations and navigate the complexities of sales tax collection on platforms like Etsy and Shopify. First, it's important to know that sales tax rules can vary significantly depending on both state and country. You will often need to collect sales tax if you have what's known as a nexus, which essentially means a significant business presence in a particular state. Nexus can be established through various means, such as having a physical storefront, employees, or simply making a substantial amount of sales within that state. Understanding nexus is crucial because it determines where and when you need to collect sales tax. Once you've identified which states you have a sales tax obligation in, the next step is to register for a sales tax permit. Begin by visiting your state's tax authority website to register for this permit or license. It's important to note that you must have this permit before you start collecting any sales tax legally. Operating without it could lead to fines or legal complications down the line. For those of you selling through platforms like Etsy, you've got a bit of help with those taxes. Etsy automatically calculates and collects sales tax for many states within the US. However, it's a good idea to double check your settings to ensure everything is set up correctly. Head over to Shop Manager, then navigate to Finances, and finally check Sales Tax. Here you can review and make adjustments to ensure that your shop's sales tax collection settings align with your state obligations. Now, if you're also selling through Shopify, there's a straightforward process to set up tax collection. In your Shopify admin, go to Settings, then Taxes and Duties. From there, enable sales tax collection for the states or countries where you have a nexus. Shopify is equipped to calculate the appropriate tax amount automatically at checkout, making the process seamless for your customers. Once everything is in place, sales tax will automatically be added to your customers' orders based on their location. While this reduces the burden of calculating taxes manually, you must keep detailed records of all sales and the taxes collected. Not only is this crucial for your financial records, but it's also necessary for when you need to file sales tax returns. Filing sales tax returns is a periodic task that might be required monthly, quarterly, or annually depending on the state's regulations. When filing, ensure that you report all collected sales taxes accurately and pay them to the state's tax authority by the specified due date. To simplify the ongoing management of these responsibilities, consider using accounting or tax software like QuickBooks, TaxJar, or Avalara. These tools can automate tracking and filing, easing the administrative burden and helping ensure compliance. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to efficiently managing your sales tax obligations and keeping your business running smoothly.